Hello everyone. I'm sure all of you are doing excellent with your health and spirit in this crisis pandemic situation. My greetings to all of you and thanks for listening to me. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinay dadati patrata, patrata dhanam apnoti, dhanat dharma tata sukham. That means Vidya, education, learning generates and creates a character that creates a personality. The personality in return helps us to generate business and earn money, dollars, pounds, currencies for the organization. And if I am able to generate business, generate revenues, generate sales for my organization, I am happy, I am blessed, the organization is blessed. I am good at work. That doesn't mean that I do not need training. Being a learning and development architect, my objective is to understand what is the best thing which is required for the organization. Understand the need of employees individually as well as group and create the best thing which is required and keep in mind to create an adaptive learning culture. Today we are facing with lot of disruptions. Earlier also there were disruptions. Today it is visible in front of us. But earlier there was something which was at back end. Either it is front end or it is at the back end. If I am having the ability to disrupt these disruptions through my learning and development strategies, I am able to reskill and create the best manpower which is required for this organization. So let's create the best organization by creating and investing in manpower. Again, before signing off, thank you very much and please stay safe. Bye-bye.